We're going to cook a 28-pound turkey. We'll put this in a sink of cold water. Barely fits in the sink. Now that it's thawed out, we can clean it. Inside the turkey, there's usually a bag that needs pulled out. Now sometimes there's a bag in the other end as well, but on this one there's not. Put it in the roaster. This barely fits in the roaster. This is a big one. We'll pour a little water in there so that it won't run dry while it's cooking. It's gonna be a long time. It's about 13 minutes per pound roughly, so this one is gonna be close to 6 hours probably. We're gonna season it with salt and pepper, and we'll set it at about 325 or 350. All right, it's been 6 hours. We're gonna check this now with our meat thermometer. The bird was so big we had to put foil over it because we couldn't get the lid on. The internal temperature needs to be at least 180, and you can see we're not even close. We're not up to 150 yet. Once it got up to 180 degrees, we turned it off and let it cool down. We'll lift this up and out onto a cookie sheet. That is how we cooked this 28-pound turkey. It tastes really good.